What's up, volleyball fans? We are back and we are still live here at the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. So up next, our in the women's division, we have an exciting match-up as Lingayen clashes with Team Dasol. Expect both teams are readjust their strategies at mas maging aggressive on this match, Pangasinenses. The big question is, sino kaya ang magdo-dominate on this match-up? Kaya just stay here in our live stream at i-comment nyo na kung sinong team ang inyong sinusuportahan. Again, this is Marnie Ann Fabito, your courtside reporter, and let the game tree begin.
Good morning once again, volleyball fans. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
Thank you for staying with us as we move into our third match of the women's division. We appreciate everyone joining us here at the venue and those tuning in through our live stream. We hope you are enjoying another day of exciting volleyball action.
Before we begin, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Biguico III, whose continued dedication to grassroots sports has paved the way for tournaments like the Governor's Cup to flourish. His vision has given our local athletes the opportunity to compete, develop their skills, and proudly represent their municipalities. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing.
As both teams go through their warm-up, let's take a closer look at today's featured matchup. Our first team is Team Lingayen, currently holding a strong 3-1 record in the standings. Despite suffering their first setback in their previous game against Team Alaminos City, Lingayen remains one of the top contenders in this tournament. They have consistently displayed disciplined defense, solid teamwork, and an aggressive attack throughout the competition. Today's match is an opportunity for them to quickly bounce back, regain their momentum, and strengthen their position in the standings. Expect Team Lingayen to come out focused and eager to return to the winning column.
Across the court is Team Dasol, a team determined to put its previous loss behind them after falling to Team Mabini. While the results haven't gone their way recently, Team Dasol has continued to show resilience and determination every time they step onto the court. They'll be looking to make the necessary adjustment, capitalize on every opportunity, and deliver a stronger performance in hopes of pulling off an important victory. With both teams coming off loses, expect each side to play with extra intensity and urgency from the very first serve.
This matchup promises to be an exciting contest as both teams aim to bounce back and keep their Governor's Cup campaign on track. Will Lingayen reclaim its winning form, or can the Sul pull off a huge victory this morning? We're about to find out.
Stay with us because in just a few moments, we'll proceed with the official introduction of our players, followed by the opening serve of our third women's division match.
Don't go anywhere. The Governor's Cup action continues right here from the Alaminos City Sports Complex. This is the battle between Lingayen versus Dasol. This is the battle.
First serve goes to Team Lingayen.
Magno is blocked. First
And-
point for Trisha Paras.
This is the battle between Team Inasin versus Asin.
Service ace for jersey number 3, Ferrer. Ang witty mo doon, partner. Sa part na yon.
Sa comment section, partner.
And back-to-back aces for jersey number 3, Ferrer.
Ferrer. Good serve again. And
Wow, 3 straight points for Ferrer. Magno. Too long for jersey number 2.
.5-0 lead here for Team Lingayen. Good serve. Beray. Good ball!
save! Wow!
Good ball!
Magno. Set it from the pipe. Dizon. Ferrer to Paras. Net violation there on the side of Team Dasol. What a great start for Team Lingayen. 7-0.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Still serving jersey number 3. Ferrer. Good attack. Ferrer to Kagiwa.
Set it to Magno. Block. And another point for Team Lingayen. Early timeout here for Team Dasol. Habang nasa timeout tayo, partner, samahan muna ninyo kami sa ilang mahalagang balita tungkol sa mga programa at proyekto ng ating mahal na gobernador, Ramon Monmon V. Gico III.
Tama, alam naman natin na ang sports ay isang paraan para mapag-isa ang bawat bayan. Pero bukod sa sports, marami ring programa ang provincial government na patuloy na nagbibigay ng serbisyo at oportunidad sa bawat Pangasinense.
Kaya sa susunod po na time out, no, ikukwento namin sa inyo ang ilan sa mga legacy programs at mga proyektong nagpapatunay sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng ating lalawigan. Meanwhile, dito po sa ating laro, first point, Team Dasol. Viray, Kagiwa, isiset kay Begwas. And then si Dizon, Ibasitas to Magno. And first point for Magno.
First successful attack there for Team Dasol. Score 2 serving 8. Good serve. Paras to Beguas. That will go straight through the net. And another point for Team Dasol.
Serving jersey number 6, Baleros. Too strong for jersey number 6.
Now in the service zone, team captain, Paras. Good serve.
Dizon from the pipe. Ferrer to Baaklo. Magno. Ferrer sets it to the open. Andun si Dizon. Ibasitas to Magno. Drop ball. Baaklo will set it to Kagiwa. Drop.
Andun si Paras partner pero walang kumuha ng second ball.
Yes, I think medyo malayo kasi si Viray doon sa part na yon. So point for Team Dasol. Magno.
Good serve. Paras. Ferrer. Back set to Beguas. Net violation there by jersey number 3.
Now serving, Kagiwa. Rotational error for Team Dasol. Another point for Team Lingayen.
Kagiwa. Good
Sharp
serve.
Dizon, andun si Paras. Ferrer will set it to Viray. Ginawa ng paraan. Dizon again. That is off the block. Point for Team Dasol.
Serving jersey number 7. Ferrer. To Viray. That will sail out. Point for Team Dasol.
Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen.
Giyang still serving. Good serve. Ferrer. To Viray. Andun si Magno.
So official score 11-7. Giang. Received by Kagiwa. Sets it to 4. Andun si Giang. Ibasitas to Dizon. Drop ball. Fair was there. Viray. Dog. Free ball for Team Lingayen.
Ibasitas. To Dizon. Paras was there. Viray. Magno couldn't handle that one, partner.
Powerful hit by Viray.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 8. Beguas.
Is received. That is inside. Akala ni Kagiwa partner that is outside. But it suddenly drops in.
Tama, partner. Now on the service zone, jersey number 10. Magno. Viray ginawa ng paraan. Couldn't get through.
Medyo dikit sa net. Siguro.
Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. 12 serving 9. Ferrer. Viray ginawa ng paraan. Ibasita sinabol ang bola.
Point for Team Lingayen. Now serving, jersey number 11, Baaklo. Sharp serve. Ibasitas, backset kay Dizon. Nakuha ni Paras. Point for Team Dasol.
Dizon. Mishit on that service. Point for Team Bilingayen. 14 serving 10. Viray.
Service ace for jersey number 18.
Miscommunication between jersey number 8 and jersey number 7.
Still serving, Viray. Ibasitas, Dizon from the pipe. Another point for Dizon.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 21. Ibasitas. Andun si Beguas. Para sa gitna. Ibasitas. Tumagno. Kagiwa, ginawa ng paraan.
Another miscommunication there on the part of Team Dasol. And the team captain will be called by our first referee. Ferrer, sharp serve. Service ace.
Pangilang service ace na kaya nun. Partner ni Ferrer.
Hindi ko na mabilang yon, partner. But, I'm pretty sure na mabigat yung kanyang service. Viray, Ferrer, sinet kay Beguas, Anton si Dizon. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Beguas again.
Ferrer. To Kagiwa. And
It catches the line.
Ferrer. Good serve. Free
Free.
ball. Ibasitas. Tagyang.
4 touches. Substitution on the side of Team Dasol. Palitan po tayo ng setter dito. Ibasitas out, Fred De Luces in.
Ferrer still serving. And then si Dizon overs receive. Kagiwa.
No check ball there. Still a 7-point lead for Team Lingayen. Now serving jersey number 6, Baleros.
Ferrer. Kay Paras sa gitna. And that will be a point for jersey number 13. Substitution. Manuel in.
Double
Paras
sub.
out. Eight-point lead para sa Team Lingayen. 20, serving 12.
Ang dalawang setter nila here. Fred De Luces. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Ferrer, back set kay Baaklo, and Baaklo is blocked.
Magno. Good serve. Baaklo. Kagiwa on the serve. Good service.
Good save by Fred De Luces. Ferrer to Viray.
Kagiwa. That well straight to the net. (14 serving 22). Giang on the serve. Good service. Ferrer to Manawat. Point again for Team Lingayen.
Team captain will be called again here on the side of Team Dasol. Official score 23-14. Service error here for Manawat.
Magno. Ferrer. Ginawa ng paraan ni Viray.
Set point for Team Lingayen.
24 serving 15. Substitution. Abeles. Abeles in. Baaklo out. Abeles.
Good serve. Tinaas ng libero. Magno from the pipe, but too much muscle on that pipe attack. So nakuha po ng Team Lingayen ang first set, 25-15. Habang naghahanda ang ating mga teams para sa second set partner, unahin natin ang kalusugan, no? Dahil kay Governor Guico, mahalagang maging healthy ang bawat Pangasinense.
At alam mo ba, partner na ang Pangasinan ng kauna-unahang probinsya sa buong Pilipinas na nagpatupad ng free hospitalization sa lahat ng 14 provincial government hospitals. Isang malaking tulong ito para sa ating mga kababayan.
Hindi lang yan, partner. Patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan ang GuiConsulta, isang one-stop government service na hatid mismo sa mga barangay.
Dito, libre ang medical consultation, may libreng gamot, veterinary services para sa ating mga alagang hayop, employment assistance, pamimigay ng seedlings at asin, at mayroon na ring libreng legal aid sa pakikipagtulungan ng IBP Pangasinan Chapter.
At ang GuiConsulta ay nasa Barangay Matalava, Lingayen ngayong araw. Kaya naman huwag palampasin ang pagkakataong ito para mapangalagaan ang inyong kalusugan.
Sa susunod na mga araw din sa bayan ng Lingayen ay sa Barangay Malimpok, Estanza, Kapandanan, Balangubong, Basing at Duling. Mangyari lang po na bisitahin ng Lingayen District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay.
Kaya naman mga kabalayan, inaanyayahan ang lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong makapagkonsulta at makapag-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan ilalapit sa inyong komunidad. Sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maunlad na Pangasinan. Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan, Pangasinan ang galing.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. Nasa second set na po tayo ng ating laro, Lingayen versus Dasol. Good. Begwas will send it over. Fredeluces, sinet kay Magno. Andun si Aviles. To Viray, kinaliwa. And first point for Team Lingayen.
Serving jersey number 15. Good serve. Fredeluces to Magno on Viray. Fredeluces sinabol ang bola. Free ball ibibigay para sa Team Lingayen. Begwas. Natawa na lang po si Villanueva doon. Tumama sa kanyang ulo ang bola.
All one.
Magno on the service zone.
Good serve. Aviles will set it to Begwas. Find zone 6.
Manawat. Dizon is there. Fredeluces sa gitna para kay Magno. Manawat couldn't contain that attack coming from jersey number 2.
Second deadlock. Magno. Baaklo. Fredeluces will set it to Dizon. Push. Manuel to Begwas. And walang tao doon sa zone 1.
Finds that whole partner. 3 serving 2 for Team Lingayen. Viray on the service zone.
Fredeluces to the opposite. Point for Giang. Giang.
This is the battle between Bagoong versus Asin. Sabi sa ating comment section. Now serving jersey number 8. Begwasan mo na daw. Good serve. Fredeluces to Dizon. Ginawa ng paraan. Nakuha ni Begwas. Aviles. Fredeluces to Dizon. Andun si Bilan Baaklo. Doug. Dizon. And that will sails out. Point for Team Lingayen.
You can see the frustration there ni Dizon.
Beguas. Good serve, Fredo Luces. To Dizon. Deflected. Manuel to Aviles. Andun ang libero. Fredo Luces to Dizon again. Off-speed attack. Baaklo. Aviles ginawa ng paraan. Self-cover. Beguas sinabol ang bola. Free ball para sa Team Dasol. But it will go outside. A point for Team Dasol.
Good serve. Manuel sets it to the open. Blocked. Good coverage there on the side of Team Lingayen. Freda Luces to Dizon. Drop ball. Andun si Beguas. Magno. Freda Luces backsets to Magno. Manuel to Aviles. But not over. Point for Team Dasol. Medyo nabubuhayan ang ating mga fans dito, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Naghihiyawan at nagsisigawan na po ang mga fans ng both teams. Serving jersey number 16.
Villanueva. Manuel backsets to Baaklo. Not over.
4 touches violation. Called on Team Lingayen. Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan. 6 serving 5.
Manuel to Aviles. And point for Team Lingayen.
Small but terrible din tong si jersey number 7, partner. Nambabasag ng block.
Yes. Giang. Freda Luces. Nabol ang bola. Miscommunication on the side of Team Dasol. At balik po sa Lingayen ang kalamangan.
Baaklo. Good serve. Freda Luces. D-zone sa gitna. Manuel to Aviles. Manuel. Pipe attack. Magno. Andun si Biray. Aviles.
Net violation committed by jersey number 4, Freda Luces.
Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. 8 serving 6, Baaklo. Freda Luces. Dizon. Andon si Baaklo. Tumanawat sa gitna. That will sails out. Point for Team Dasol. On the service zone, jersey number 3, Dizon. Good serve. Manawat. Freda Luces. To Magno. But
Now in the service zone, jersey number 7, Aviles. Magna ginawa ng paraan. Manuel. Sinet kay Viray. Wow. Point
kinaliwigi ni Biray ang attack na yon, partner.
Timeout will be called here for Team Dasol. Habang nasa timeout, partner, ituloy natin yung mga sinasabi nating projects, legacy programs ng ating mahal na gobernador. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular and local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Alam mo ba, partner, merong free training. Jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon at gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Capitol Complex, Lingayen.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ay pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan.
Pangasinan, ang galing. At balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. This is our third game, the battle between Inasin versus Asin. Official score 11-8.
Lamang po ng tatlo ang Team Lingayen. Now on the service zone, jersey number 4, Frede Luces. That will sail out for jersey number 4. Substitution. Beg was out. Perez in. Manuel. Frede Luces 1-2 play. Manuel to Biray. That is out. Point for Team Dasol. Magno. Abeles. Perez. Frede Luces, kanina ibibigay kay Giang. Andun si Villanueva. Manuel back sets it to Perez.
Point for Team Lingayen.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 12, Manawat. Magno. Aviles is there. Manuel. Sa gitna para kay Biray. Off-speed attack. Frede Luces. Para kay Dizon. Andun si Aviles. Good ball. But, hindi na may tatawid ang bola.
Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen.
Biray. Baaklo.
That catches the line. Another point for Team Lingayen.
Biray. Frede Luces. Tugyang. That will sail out.
No check ball there. Good save. Manuel sets it to Baaklo. Blocked. Nice cover. Perez finds zone 5. Substitution here for Team Dasol. Giang out, Masarbito in.
Jersey number 18 still serving. Viray. Good serve. Frede Luces. To Dizon, ginawa ng paraan. Manuel is there. Frede Luces. Sa gitna, ang bola. Ang Abiles. Frede Luces again. To Dizon. Ginawa ng paraan. Villanueva is there. Perez. Drop ball shot. Point for Team Lingayen. Official score is 17-11. Lamang po ng 6 ang Team Lingayen.
Good chase, but a service ace for Viray. Timeout, Team Dasol. Dito naman tayo sa Education and Sports Partner. Hindi rin makakalimutan ang ating mga estudyante.
Sa pamamagitan ng Pangasinan Polytechnic College, halos 2,000 scholars na ang natulungan mula 2024 hanggang sa kasalukuyan.
May 4 na flagship degree programs ang PPC at nakaplanong magbukas pa ng branch sa Umingan kasabay ng pagtatayo ng Super Hospital kung saan target ding mag-offer ng allied medical courses. Tuloy po natin yan maya-maya lamang po. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro, Lingayen versus Dasol. Fredeluces sets it to the opposite. Manuel, sinet kay Aviles. Dizon will give a free ball. Manuel to Baaklo.
Dizon, off-speed attack. To Aviles. Ando ng libero, Fideluces. To Dizon.
No check ball. Another point for Team Lingayen. Medyo matagal-tagal na sa service area si Viray, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
8-point lead po tayo dito. Good serve. Dizon. Manuel to Baaklo, and Baaklo gets the point.
Viray.
Short
Serve. Over receive. Manuel. To Perez. Dizon. That will stay to the net. Still a point for Team Lingayen.
10-point lead by Team Lingayen. Substitution here. Fredeluces out, Ibasitas in.
Viray still serving. Good serve. Ibasitas. Masarbito.
And Miss Arbito stops the bleeding.
Masarbito. Manuel to Aviles. Andun si Masarbito. Dizon. Villanueva dog. Baaklo. Sets to Aviles. Misreceive. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Manuel.
Too wide for Baaklo. Another point for Team Dasol.
Masarbito. Will sails out. Jersey number 9 serving. Perez. Good serve. Ibasitas. To Dizon. Manawat couldn't handle that attack coming from jersey number 3.
Good serve. Manuel back set kay Baaklo. Let's wait for the call. And the point will be awarded sa Team Dasol. 3-0 run here for Team Dasol. Good serve. Dizon. Ibasitas. Free ball. Baaklo delays that one. Pinabawi kaagad si jersey number 11.
Bumawi.
Substitution for Team Lingayen. Baaklo out, Ferrer in, Manuel out, Paras in.
Ferrer. Ibasitas to Dizon.
May check. Let's wait for the call. And the point again for Team Dasol. May check ball doon, partner. I saw Aveles, inamin niya na may check ball daw.
Dizon. Ferrer to Paras sa gitna. Ibasitas to Magno.
Blocked. Ibasitas will give a free ball. Viray. Ferrer bibigay kay Paras. Soft touch. Magno will send it over. Ferrer to Aveles. Good save, but hindi na maitatawid ang bola sa kabila. So, match point for Team Lingayen.
And serving for the match is jersey number 7, Abeles.
Good serve. Free ball. Paras will set it to Viray. Magno.
And then si Abeles.
Paras will play setter. Ibasitas to Magno. Andon si Perez. Error for jersey number 13. Official score 24-17. Match point saved. Substitution. No. They will not allow it.
Ibasitas. Good serve. Free ball. Bibigay ng Team Lingayen. Ibasitas. Free ball din para sa Team Dasol. Paras will play setter again. Attack error for Team Lingayen.
Malayo pa raw, sabi ni Paras. Ibasitas. Viray. Ferrer will chase. Free ball for Team Dasol. Ibasitas to Magno. Push. Andun si Perez. Ferrer back set to Viray. Doug. Balik kay Viray. Ferrer to Paras. Soft touch. Ferrer to Viray. Andun yung libero. Ibasitas to Magno. Ferrer to Paras. Drop ball. But Point for Team Lingayen. And nanalo po ang Team Lingayen in 2 straight sets. Congratulations sa Team Lingayen for winning this match. Congratulations also to Team Dasol.
For a hard-fought battle.
Commissioner yan dito. Anong crush?
Low.
Tama namin ta. Babaeng. Sa answer ni Ate Shaw last week.
Ano naman sa tingin mo ang kailangang i-readjust? That ends our third game, volleyball fans. Both teams showed heart, determination, and teamwork mula first set hanggang second set. But at the end, Team Lingayen gets their win on this match. And still, congratulations to Municipality of Dasol for giving us a good game. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Lingayen. Jersey number 18 having 3 blocks, 2 ace, total of 5 points. So first of all, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. So, pang-apat nyo ng panalo ito this conference. Ano naman ang pakiramdam na ikaw yung nag-dominate? And syempre, after the tough game last weekend, bumawi kayo on this game.
Siguro, hindi ko naman inaano na sa akin lang yun. Siyempre, teamwork yung ginawa namin. Tapos, siyempre, nag-thank you ako dito sa team namin kasi super effort din nila. Kahit sobrang dami nilang ginagawa, grabe yung effort na ginagawa nila.
Yan. Ano sa tingin mo ang need pang i-readjust sa Team Lingayen para magtuloy-tuloy na yung winning streak nyo this time?
Siguro, siguro pag yung training namin talaga, kasi minsan may mga hindi nakakapunta dahil sa work, pero okay lang naman. As long as nagagawa kami ng effort sa team namin.
Yan. Lastly, sino naman yung mga gusto mong i-shout out na fans ninyo na nanonood ngayon on our live stream?
Siyempre sa ate ko, Ate Latiza, si Mama. Tapos kay Mikael.
Again,
Shout out sa Vice Mayor at Mayor namin. Baka naman.
Baka naman po.
yan. Again, congratulations on winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Pangasinan, just stay here in our live stream. Then up next, our game 4 here at the Western Conference Women's Division. Again, this is Marnian Fabito, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.